Stalk Ashley, you again. Why make you do that to my daughter? You're a big woman for her. Fuck her off. You are your producer or manager. Dirty job.
Gully. Trinidad.
A big guns. And that me friend them fire. Remember me bad with that empire. We put them in a crossfire.
A real thing, man. Big guns will fire for true. Not joke, my nights. Anybody forget anybody at all. Them say, oh, we are this. Say anybody who this.
But this I humbly accept. I want to first of all thank God for his mercies.
We put them in crossfire. The mother girl me have a touch, yeah, the only one who prove a real me lady. You know the man that.
On the girl body wet like river. When it come down with the girl, them a run down from sun up till.
Jokes are, put her in an origin. You dirty man and name Jack with a big key. You just a fuck her. You just a use her. You nasty girl, you say you're pansexual. You have fast me pitney. Drugs are a car off.
So I see where a lady run out with some wild accusations against female dancehall artist Stalk Ashley, my people. Yeah, man, she would have basically accused Stalk Ashley of, letting her daughter take drugs, indulging in some threesome and foursome and all sort of weird argument, my people. You get to me, I say, and some things you basically lick her chip and make sure go crazy, my people. She even call for investigation and even accuse her producer as well, my people. So the producer of her indulging in all sort of weird things as well, my people. Very serious argument to hear the woman I put forward. You get to me, I say, if me surprised, not really, because me judge ones and ones by the music where them sing in most cases. Not all, but most cases based on even like how them operate and where them say out of their mouth as well. You see it. And based on when we would hear out of even these people mouth at this type of lifestyle or for them lifestyle. But when the woman speak out on what is going on with people, you get a different energy from it. Say the thing serious. I want you to take a listen at this and you can tell me what you think. And of course, I'm going to give my perspective as well. So check it out.
Remember every day I'm choice farm. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna sleep. Stalk Ashley, you again. Why make you do that to my daughter? She's 19, you're a big woman for her. You fuck her off, you are your producer or manager. Dirty Jack, whatever you want to name.
Fresh drop.
You molest her over and over. You touch her and put her in an orgy. You do all kind of wickedness to her. See there? When I sleep. I strokes me nearly catch a while ago. Go, oh, may I take this thing? Oh, good pick me. Stalk Ashley, you nah go so. Stalk Ashley, me nah take it so. Me nah take it so. Me nah take what you do to my daughter so. Here, Stalk Ashley, you are your manager. Where you fuck on a fuck off bad Skylar, on a fuck her up mentally. The things them wanna do to her. And the abortion wanna make sure do. Make sure they follow her boyfriend. Tell her about not about her. My mother. Have her sit down there too, I may have to come from a pitney, and get her the help she know she forget. My nice daughter. Stalk Ashley, your days are numbered. You see you? And I get it. I'm not touch with a long stone or nothing. God. Omnipotent. So them tears, yeah, them not going in vain. Stalk Ashley, you must go down. Stalk Ashley, you must go down. You must go down. Yeah, man. Guys, all who know about Skylar, or know her as Ashley before, or Sky, pray for her. Please, because prayers can move mountains. I beg, prayers. Please. Tag the girl named Stalk Ashley. Wicked girl. Tag her. She know what she do. My investigation after her. I can't take this so. My baby is just 19. She don't live in her life. Promise to make me a promise. When I do bad things to her, even when them not here when go talk to them. Nobody no want nobody mad them people. Jokes are, put her in an origin. You dirty man named Jack with a big cocky. You just a fuck her. You just a use her. You nasty girl, you say you're pansexual. And you fuck ass, me pitney. Drugs her and fuck her off. She talking.
So yes, my people, that is the lady I say, well, our 19-year-old daughter not live no life yet and seemingly I go crazy because them promise her for bust her and, you know, them instead of turn her in a sex dolly, my people, and, you know, she have sex with multiple people, male and female and all of that. And in terms of if she going crazy and them thing there, well, you don't know, say, that is really unfortunate. But at the end of the day, this is in no defense of Stalk Ashley, because if there's a person who follow up this channel, you know, say, based on Stalk Ashley, them type of energy and where them promoting their music for most cases, I know something I really subscribe to. You get to me, I say them bag of threesome and all that where them I deal with. However, when me even check this young lady profile, because right away me got Google her, you know, put her in her name on YouTube, and you see she have about 3 videos up there, and all of them videos there are promote that type of lifestyle. All of them videos there, she is a female, this me people, and she have like 6, 7, 8 females in the video them are rub down and promote that type of lifestyle, my people, threesome and lesbianism and all of that. So me just I say still, you know, me not really think she is innocent in this either. And me would have want to know if, and these videos was like a year ago, my people, based on my view. So I want to know if this lady never see say at that road her daughter go down. Because if me have my daughter and me see she do music and in her video she put out a woman she rub down and them thing, then me I go concerned about that. And if you don't feel like a lie, you can Google it for yourself. It's just that it looks so erratic like a strip club. Me not sure if YouTube are gonna strike me. That's why I'm not really showing it. But you can go type in her name and look as well, my people. And as me say, them this is even this coming like the whole P Diddy thing to me. You see it, everybody sing about the lifestyle, girl a pop Molly and who are coming a girl throat and make it come through them nose hole and all of that, my people. But when it basically act out in a real life and you see the effects of them thing, the people are go crazy and all of that, then people seems to start to come to them senses and want to say, well, this wrong or that wrong or whatever. Which me feel like say once you know say certain things nothing do from the initial stage. That mean 19-year-old my people, very beautiful young lady, and a girl's message she in her video rub down. So at the end of the day, if there is something where they can point to where illegal where Stalk Ashley and the producer do, and yeah, well, God go with them and that and the law. You get to me I say, but if are them normal procedures, mama at the end of the day she over 9, 18, big woman, so she make her own decisions them. So how it go. And at the end of the day we know say it's unfortunate because a whole heap of aspiring artists go around other artists and them promise to bust them and them styling they them get me people. You see? Them use them out and abuse them out and all of them things. They're very unfortunate situation. I don't know what to think about my take on it, my people. I not really force down my opinion on anybody, but that is just my view. Me feel like say, you know, your made supposed to stay clean. If me did like up on our profile and me did see we are like our music normal, me da feel a bit more sympathetic. But when me see say a threesome business and all of that from like 1 year, 2 years ago, my people, me see say, you know, this is something where a fear style as well. So at the end of the day, my people, as me say, if there is anything illegal we go on in the whole ordeal, them can take it to the law. But if not, you know, mama, if you just know, say, I saw it go. And, you know, make sure, say, you guide your daughter in making better life choices. That's some I think them people. And also, we see where the likes of Silk Boss, yeah, man, we see where Silk Boss basically is ready to take over new rules, my people. You get to me, I say, yeah, man, we see a rehearsal of Silk Boss and a Bands the Dog ago. You get to me, I say, it look like new rules is going to be a Bands show in a Jamaica. So, you know, say, a one bag of things are going there. So, check this out.
The mother girl me have a touch, she are the only one who prove it real, me lady. You know, the man dog, when I'm on a call the phone and me love it to me heart. Me feel right at home and go find a couple shot. When you let them a mark, it beat like that. She says she not me, but she want her space. Rough her up, make she have a start face. Load and love up and I want she embrace. The back on the body jar, then grabbing her ear. She says she not leave, but she want her space. Rough her up, make she have a not real. Loan and love up and I want to see a break. Yo, over here, so. I know, see, I'm going to the next way.
So my people, that is Silk Boss in there. You get to me, I say I'm not like Silk Boss sound mellow and sound like him ready for activate up him thing, my people. So we will see how it go when the show go on, and we will definitely have the highlights soon, the rehearsals. We also see where Knox was rehearsing as well and a bands as a young artist. So more than likely Alkaline will be using bands as well. And you don't know a Jamaica that, so you want like a more powerhouse energy than out in the world, the people. You get to me, I say. So it seems as if the show is going to be epic. Also, we see where they are stating that a popular music producer passed away, my people. You get to me, I say, yeah, man. And it seems as if he is the son of Bobby Digital, my people. According to what is being said here, they are stating that music producer and audio engineer Calibud has passed away. And when we say Calibud, we not talk about the artist Calibud, you see, but the producer goes by the name Calibud. And according to sources, Calibud, whose given name is Sheldon Stewart, succumbed to cancer in New York yesterday. Jaja know my people. Calibud was a stepson of a late music producer, Bobby Digital, and is known for production of one-drop reggae music and cultural material. He also worked with dancehall and reggae artist QQ on a popular song, Better Must Come. You see it? Yeah, man, them time the QQ a little youth and him a chant, Better Must Come, Better Must Come. Delegate the youth them, yeah, man. So that is that very unfortunate situation still, but you don't know, condolences to the family and friends of the artist. And me see a little, well, me see a farmer up in the hills a plant up him food and them thing them people. But him say him is a man who love the music and did a try out the music and so forth. However, for whatever reason, probably it not really work to him that want it. So he might deal with some farming, but him is a man who still doing freestyle and so forth. And me see him do a freestyle and me say, me share it to the platform and you can tell me what you think. We never can tell. You know, I suppose you don't like it and decide to call for the artist. Check this out.
Yeah, man, see right now I'm up on the farm, you know, you see me? I'm done do some work, I'm there. I mean, I always carry my songbook them, because when I tell you say I'm music first, I do before the farming thing, you see me? So I always carry my songbook them whenever I work and tired and I rest, just write up some lyrics. You want to hear that freestyler? Here we go now. Watch you go now. Hear me shoulder. Here we go. I made the girl them a run down from sun up till sundown. Come in a me broom, I get a volume turn down. Salt catch a fire like a boat house a bun down. Girl body wet like river when it come down. Me the girl them a run down from sun up till sundown. Come in a me broom, I get a volume turn down. Salt catch a fire like a boat house a bun down. Girl body wet like river, alright. If you a girl dinner, you can't get no youth. Drink a lip of conch and cow skin soup. Eat a lip of vegetable, eat a lip of fruit. In a fire blank shot, when time me a shoot. Me nah get no bun, come in a miss me loop. The girl them a come in a bungle and group. And a case say she want blow me like flute. The girl them out the road say me cute. So what's up juice and me crackers and me fish well steamed down. Make a phone call, sometimes the link come. Breed boy, girl, boy, thing see a film son. Never know same girlfriend did a game bun. I me the girl them a run down from sun up till sundown. Come in a me room and you get a volume turned down. I'll catch a fire like a boat house a
People, so tell me what you think about how the farmer go on. I love it. If you don't love it, say go on. You see it. Yeah, man, I don't know how the thing go. But outside of that, mother also see where. But one of my favorite females on the internet, you know, a lot of people claim say them not like her, but it don't really matter. You see it. Enough how we like her. Well, that's where Miss Kitty basically would have, you know, gotten the keys to Tamarack in Florida. Big look for Miss Kitty. I get to me and say we see the RDL, you know, pan out online and we decide say we have to share it and look what I want. Check it up.
On behalf of the city of Tamarack, our mayor, Michelle Gomez, our vice mayor, Dr. Keisha Daniel, our commissioner, Maury Wright, our commissioner, Crystal Patterson, we bestow on you the key to the city. You are welcome any time to Tamarack. We love you, Miss Kitty Esquire. Liar. Put some respect on her name. Yeah. And if you have something to say to her, say it to her. Here we go.
Oh my God. Guys.
Hold on. Before you say something, the surprise is not done yet.
Going on. And unbeknownst to me, this is such a wonderful honor for which I am eternally grateful, Congresswoman. Poor me. No know nothing at all. Not have no fun. Oh, now we kidding up. Madam, today we are work. Jesus, Mayor, Mr. Right. All this time, guys, I'm there just organizing my thoughts because when I'm working, I'm just so focused, right? Because I want to always do an exceptional job because I'm always here to serve my audience, right? And I want to make sure everybody's good, everything is going great. But this, I humbly accept. I want to first of all thank God for His mercies, for His blessings, for His guidance and protection. Because when the devil tries to intercept, God is always there to lead what's going on. And unbeknownst to me,
So yeah, my beautiful people, that is Miss Kitty in here. Don't know how the thing go. Yeah, man. You see it. And as I said, enough time I see some little fly-by night a beat off them out. I say them don't like Miss Kitty because she used too much big words and all of that. You see it. But them little ones where I promote threesome and all of them things that them like. And when trouble catch them a ball, I say the police will investigate and them thing there. While, you know, Miss Kitty tell them to go to school and educate themselves and keep themselves decent. Them now want to hear them think them a people. You see, them say she a fight against them and she bad mind and all of that. But anyways, big up Miss Kitty. I get to me and say, yeah man, and that's the thing there. And also, we have some more cryptic reasoning from J.A. from the Gully side, my people. I don't know the PNQ rhythm drop. Mavado have a song on it where explosive. The song is called Big Guns, and the song cause a bag of spark a bag of debate around the internet. Once ask who get this in the song. You see it how as a debate as it relates to if a alkaline get this and all of that, my people. And you don't know me, that's where J.A. is on another reasoning. And I don't know what I get from this reasoning, but he is stating that whoever did this, Gully God, and them get this and all of that, my people. You don't have to take a listen at this. Check it out.
And me and the God are on the summer. Remember me tell you, Rich Town, spread the word. Big guns. I shall put them in crossfire. Not bad to me, bad to God. A buckler. A real thing, man. Big guns will fire for true. Not joke, my lights. Anybody forget, anybody at all can get it. Them say, oh, we are this. Say anybody who this we. Not specific. Anybody at all with this. That defend them fire. Oh, with that empire. I shall put them in crossfire. When it reach over here, sir. Later. You remember good no man? Remember, one buckler later, that's a Gully side. See? Yeah. Shut out that side, shut out that out. Scary you fuckers are baby and bang. Keep up your eyes, in your ears go. Not stand on them like rabbit phones. On the perimeter, stand up straight. Remember good no man, see misery man, rifle. But alright, Rich Star. Remember saying no. Now watch the video now. You see the big gun video when you watch it. And you see me walk out still saying that this camouflage soldier shooter as a main shooter with the gun and have the rifle space up. And I now laugh, I'm serious. And I got this one look on. And you see boy, cause remember you know, as a main shooter, you know. Let me tell you something as a main shooter now. Let me tell you something as a main shooter. You see some of the time a cryptic code, cryptic messages and some metric type or something. Some more time, When me stay and stand up with this rifle there, say the God that's a main shooter now. You see me I walk around the corner and look so 2 times. If I look on the God, and me see say him look certain way. All if you think I yes, him say. I mean no say I know you know. And all sometimes you think I know. And face you see if I really yes you know. So me know for me know say I yes. You know see if right in the head side you get it man. You see it? So you know say my daddy as a main shooter with be a rifle, be a matic, couple more foot soldier on my foot now as a ground general. Cause I gotta say, hey, listen now, one lift up 2 rifle, two matic, 1 rocket launcher. You see that rifle there, Rick, you never seen a clip like that yet. How we have 1 part to send feet, man. Custom. Send feet. Fly, you go Iran, you go Russia, you go China, you go all of them places they get tested and then reach a foot. And we are saying, yeah, this is it. This is it. This is it. So you can say, J.A., listen now, I want you to test fire it first. I'm going to say, me if you test fire it, I'm going to say, alright, no problem. Because you know if I say fire, like that. You understand? I'm going to say, boom, man. You see it? So, me just tell you now, feel somebody are careful. Because God don't tell me, say, you shoot anything we violate, anything we talk. So careful, me just say, me don't know, me don't tell nobody what to do. But careful. Because I'm a madman. No sense at times. And the whole I get, I sick I get. Medication no seems to help me a bomb buckler. Or they them a think for give me a mad certificate, you know. You understand? Yeah. Must have mad. So me no sense here, dog. So nobody just no fuck up. Cause God a power and look a madman. You see it? God a want look a mad bitch, you know, empower with, we're just mad. You see me have a mad friend there named J.A. Ask about it. He just maddy and no sense there, man. So what I feel, do I feel like. You see me? Yeah, man.
So yes, my beautiful people, tell me what I get from the argument there from J.A. Yeah, man, my welcome if you hear. So yes, my beautiful people, what I want to tell me what I get from the reasoning and the argument there from J.A. You get to me, I say, yeah, man, if there is anything indicating anything or solidifying anything, or, you know, it's just, you know, mind games at play, same way. You get to me, I say, yeah, man, I don't know J.A., you know, went viral from yesterday in terms of, yeah, some type of reasoning as well, my people. You get the way I say, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna also promote like his music. I say, yo, the 11th theme song I got drop. And the PNQ already, man, from the Gully God says a step he must step to, as well as, you know, a Gully child. So that's the thing there, my people. And also we don't see where the likes of Khago and the reasoning around Mavado song and the PNQ rhythm as well, my people. And also we don't promote his song and the likes of the Angel songs, them songs they drop officially as well. And also G-Wiz as well, my people. I get to me and say it's really nice to see even G-Wiz back on the scene and in the media and the spotlight. I get to me and say, so big up G-Wiz. I don't know, everybody love this song. Life soon start out. I get to me and say, so you don't know, man, not supposed to have them talent and it's like around a 1 part asleep. Man, I feel up and active. So big up Khago. And as me say, it was a great studio vibe, my people. I know we're not gonna like this. I know we're not gonna enjoy this. I know we're not gonna just laugh when you know hear the type of reasoning. Them people are not easy, you know, but I saw the music for joyful and laugh and full of laughter, my people. Boy, to me, when I observe it, I say each song is very sweet because it make the people them smile from ear to ear and the argument them even sweeter. So people who just love studio vibes reasoning and can tune into this. Check it out.
I take time out to premiere that already, man. You understand? It's a girl premiere. And the Cure Pain or Pure Cure. What's up?
Pain Cure, yeah.
Pain Cure Rhythm. Produced by Good Production, Zoom. You understand?
Yeah.
So we have to tap up his screen, like and share.
Trinidad. I be good, and that my friends and fine.
Say them a lucky street, them in a
bushes like I don't see. Say them no matter. Pressures of life up to me next song. Life up to me next song. All of it up and down. One way you can tell man about suffering.
Burn in the badness.
You know you have to bad when you suffer to make it out. You know. I body stark them alone make it out tight. But it's junk crown. Rich and bad and honey. Ladies.
Rich and bad and single. What about them there? Rich and bad and married.
Hey, rich and bad and thief. Rich and bad and what? Why you rich and bad and what this morning?
Say where you rich and bad and?
Eh?
Say. Just say it.
Rich and bad and
What? No finish it. Rich
No
and
likes.
bad and what?
I don't like Satan. Rich and bad and godly. Well, that can't pass me. Rich and bad and Ross broke.
Rich and broke. We don't understand.
Rich and bad and Ross broke. I've had this thing that up on the screen. Rich and bad and broke. No, rich and broke.
You win.
You take it night. Because you know, we rich now with mine. We just get there yet. So you know, like, rich and bad and billionaire. But rich and bad and broke. It's fine. It's just for now. You understand? G is the party ready my shot, you know. Listen to me, all I artists them, you know see how we thing work? Donkeys, granny said donkey can't too good for carrying their own grass.
Unity, strength.
You understand? Yes. I saw it take work. You see how far G is drive from? Way back at Kingston. Angel, come out our nice bed. Angel just find one new man. You understand? Me call Angel this morning and he's our new man. Give me the phone.
Yeah, that you forget.
I say, see your rich plan there. You understand? Me and your man Khago are your rich plan. Angel man said, me hear him boy in my background. I said, see man, will make me live comfortable. And me I tell Jackie, because Jackie no like that. You understand? But Khago, me have to say, golly God, well forward boxer, you find it. Not gonna tell no lie.
True.
A big guns.
True.
And that my friend them fire. Remember me bad with that empire. We put them in a crossfire. Oh God. But pressures of life up to me they zoom. Zoom. And everybody fight man when me know so. Dumb. No for them make bad mind take them over. Them no want see we drive no Range Rover. Pressures of life up to me next zone. Man I fi call pan Jaja boy. Where you can tell man about suffering. Where you can tell man about suffering. Fatherless son of he work for everything. Why no handout man work for everything. Why you can tell man about suffering. Why you can tell man about struggling. Fatherless son of he work for everything. Why no handout man work for everything. Rich again, do it again, millionaire. Mother road. Angels are so
the devil feel when me God's strongest angel. See it and you could have raised hell. You now go get caught in a fear spell. Cause a long time them a try cut me wings. Without wings me a fly past them. Till I survive in a life and me nah no worries and me was no have no problem. Look on blessings. Blessings just up for your Jesus.
Jesus say something man.
Them a very dark. Say them a lucky straight. Them in a bushes like I don't say. Say no matter how you are praise. Coulda got a key and can't see way them.
Belly full, but still hungry for your food. Who don't mind take away your girl too? Make a change, now wait to get a next chance. I love my life, boy. Thank you, Father, we live to see another day.
We touch empire. We put them in crossfire.
Yo! Why? You are telling God Almighty. I want me to make you love me so. From way around so. Me not even the day back I feel. Before I would have come create the biggest reggae rhythm beat 2025.
Yes, you did.
And upon the biggest dancehall beat.
Pop your color.
Me no have no color in them.
Feel like muscle.
No color. No color.
Ladies,
Full
money,
sleeve.
ladies.
Full sleeve.
Muscle.
What a ras boy skin clean.
Tattoo.
What the big guns then?
Hey. But Lewis, this is just because me have the world for my shoulder the other day. Me kind of not too.
Yeah.
You understand? So, no, remember, say, and I have to thank Michelle Donner
Let me come to the front of the line.
inviting me and Zoom Rhythm
Yeah, you're
and
welcome.
giving me one of the biggest dancehall songs right now.
You're welcome.
It's called Suffering.
Yeah.
Big up all of you them out there.
No, me have to thank her to Khago because last minute Angel make me get on the rhythm, so thank you, Angel.
You're welcome.
Listen to me. Angel,
Good people.
yes, Angel
Good
could have
people.
depend
Yeah,
on. Listen to me. Angel make me one of the biggest dancehall song right now.
Right.
Yes. Big up. We 150 star General Pink Panther.
Mm-hmm. Big
You
up,
understand?
Big up.
Yes. Angel could have hold a beat and say, yo, me I like this because you know me I go around Khago then.
Sure.
She did not.
Yeah, do that.
And Angel Vice Panda beat her 1 year ago.
A year, yes.
And she called Zoom and say, you can't left the Sky God. Then
Yeah,
she
left
start
him a road.
ball and say, Zoom. Can't left G-Weez
Yeah,
and
left him a
fight.
road.
I want good art, Ras girl, this.
Real talk, real talk.
Good art. You understand? The people that must suffer enough always have good art. And dirty and clean can't mix.
Yeah.
So sometimes when you see world come down for somebody and I beat them, ask them what she do. And ask them what Khago do, what G-Weez do. I said, then I really that to hate somebody. No, sir. I must say gift or a talent. Or a pretty face. Or something. But I can't that. You understand?
Yeah.
She could have depend the big rhythm. I would have depend it. And she make one phone call. Remember Zoom never voice me, you know. Shame on you, Zoom. One buck
Nothing
Zoom.
before the time.
No,
Sky
me no
God.
business about that.
Sky
But
God.
make Zoom all a little small shame for a second.
Aye.
But he come around when me need him the most. You understand? Because at least me and him are never enemy. I just see my people when me know. You understand? And Zoom just start the music now. And as a matter of fact, you know, I want to obtain some kind of rhythm for job. Because I just wait there. You understand? We have to send him back out the road and understand, say. I'm a boss you first. You understand? I'm a boss you again. And I can't sit around and make you bite the dust. So Angel, tell Zoom to send my brother song forward.
Right now.
You understand? Send
Right
man
now.
song come.
Yeah, man.
Because listen to
Acting,
me.
real
Me have the
power.
music. And I don't like to have the biggest reggae song. I mean, not see no artists or post it, especially the artists them with me give strength.
Sure.
Me kind of not too like it. Me kind of start develop some of the Nesbet. Jealous. Me start develop a little bit. The reggae bad mind is called Nesbet. Me start develop a little bit of Nesbet. It is a bad boy where you need to have. How you not share me song, G-Weez? Hey boy, act here now, me song not upon your page.
Oh.
All that we need a little bit of Nesbet in a way. Ask, listen to me. Me must say Nesbet. Cause we are alive, you know, I never like how, you know it right. Play a song, Khago. You understand? And so we have to start, live. Yeah, man. Listen to me. When me turn off Ras Life, I am not this nice, you know. Me just act nice because me want Jamaica fall in love with me, you know. But pussy hold me not on, so when the life turn off, you know. When the life turn off, different acts, Angel them. You understand? But
Alive nice. nice, his life turn off.
Listen to me.
Him not nice, no, his life turn off, him nice. Don't make him chicken.
Make we build back the music, brother.
Sure.
All that we can drive nice car,
Them man
have
clean
nice
like Jesus,
house,
slippers,
and all that we can have nice gal and get pretty picking it. All we have to do is just understand. And me ever say this. None of we don't know who God tie our blessing to.
True.
Blessing is a chain. And you don't know who feel link to. And as me said, enough man follow people and kill them blessing. Already. He shall never rise back. Just like you hear me say, Zoom send I Actian song come. Actian blessing tie to Khago. No matter how you want to see my act. And I act like you want to carry go to your ass grave. Me know me nicer than you without even trying it. You understand? Me a better looking boy for you. Me swag up.
Yeah.
One chain and the girl level love me. You understand?
Yeah.
One ring. You understand? Rub a little bleach. One little tap up. You understand? Suck on yourself. I put on the material God use me, you know. 3 nicest man on the planet is Jesus, Satan and Cameron and then Nesbet them. Regular material. You understand? Active them and them boy there when God done make all dog. He creep up some dog material.
Happy myself, man. Happy myself.
We don't go like how we alone a nice car to drive. We want some to man, God Almighty. Listen to me, me have to friend up back some of my ass enemy them. Cause me never do nothing, you know.
Not that thing.
But me want some riches, me I get old. I tell you that mighty thing.
This song come, Zoom just send it.
Give me the song, man. You understand? Then if me I play Mavado, why me can't play acting? I mean, don't know Mavado. We do acting. Listen to me. The elder you get up in our life, if you're not change pussy, God gonna kill you.
Yeah, just simple.
Change your ways. And understand, say, listen to me. Whatsoever gone 15 years ago, if that car in the past, see cartel go rub 13 and come out billionaire, and me and you out here, 20 years now, over what? Over what? Over nothing at all, because we did a bridging when we're poor. Me not talk, this is not for nobody now, you know. I'm just saying, new rules, new road. Reggae artists you know love, bring down one another too much. And we understand, say, we no draw allegation upon one another. And make roadblock round there, so for the man and again. Brother, let me tell you something. You see, from me, see what happened for Angel? Let me tell you something. I understand life so good now. From me, see, poor Gangoli used to cuss me like a dog on the internet for no reason. But me know, he just want me answer him. Because he must struggle and want bus, and me a struggle and bus back. But he understands, say, why Khago no want cuss me? Make me bus. And him bus back. I look there. Me never have to cuss him for him boss. And I tell you, Ganguli are going with himself, are going with a bag or something. So now we look on it. Ganguli never know same blessing tied to Khago. This is what me I try to tell you, you know.
Me never know my blessing tied to you.
Me never talk to you. Agent, how you love jumping back people blessing. Why you tear down Ganguli and him blessing for?
You never know. I'm just saying. You never know.
You understand what I said to you?
I cut it.
You killing thing, Angel, man. No, me never ready yet, Mr. Green. You never ready for that. Master Angel, you can't be yourself. Master Angel. Me do a Master Angel and I got you feed it. But Angel, I have this to say, Yara. Angel, I don't know why people hate you, but you're not somebody that nobody's supposed to hate.
Yeah.
Because me nah say maybe when your people are grind see me and live with me are two different things. So maybe the grinding angel different from the non-grind angel. I understand. Maybe when angel or any man in can tangle the man them chip lick and then just lose it. So I can understand that. But angel is a person who start listen to me. You call her 5 o'clock, she ready. 6 o'clock, she ready. Alright, Khago, me just go drop Marco Dina school. Me ready for work. Music need that spirit here. And she take criticism. She not cock up no backside and say slap me. She a go fight back with argument and say she a go push back a little, but she a go do it. And when she do it, I say wow. It's just like when God said, "Let there be night and let there be day," and him say, "I thought that was good." I saw angel work. From the music, she just ready for jump. All if she know her on toll, she a go hit it past all over. She a go forward. And that is the difference between angel, why she a go make it and listen to me. Jamaica see it and I go give you your justice. And listen, I went to Atlanta and angel, we should have just make up and buy one ticket for your cars. It'll come like a fair show. Every girl come out things say me they gonna bring you.
God, you left me.
I been left your angel. Careful.
That never happened. No man can left me. Don't do that.
So you just say me left you. You just say me left you.
No man can left me.
Oh, me know me I'm a regular man.
No man. Outside. I fix that, Jesus. Yeah, I fix that.
No, me just tell you say it's not me. And you say me left you and angel. Me just a correct you.
I'll be a character back.
No, you can't. But that is a lie.
Wait a second, no, continue.
Every girl say, come to see angel. Murder! And I say, why them a tie this?
Big up the one Atlanta.
Why we not tie angel for me?
We are twin, but I live with it.
Which
we are identical, but
I don't know me you cook it in mackerel again. Anybody you cook it in mackerel again, no. You understand? Zoom send acting song?
Yeah, man, I download it for cinema.
Yeah, man. Feel a way if you play everybody's song and I give him a play for him song. Now say strength. Because listen to me. Acting losing focus. Me lose mine, Angel lose fame, G-Wiz lose fame. All I will lose focus and all I will get frustrated. And if me find a grip, me I show the artists them say listen to me. My final lane, brother. And listen. Some type of people when me see start back and sing reggae music now.
Trust me.
You understand? It means bro, we have to all team up and we stop team up with all the top 10.
Yeah.
That's how a girl stay so. Ungo talk to you if you're hot. I understand so this is how dancehall and reggae artists stay. If you're not it, they not talk to you. I used to sit down in a Zip FM and I watch G-Wiz come in and Raspenko. And I said, God, when me can be like that? When me ever get my chance? When? Then me I watch Laden.
Wow.
I said, God, when me ever get my chance?
Yeah.
You understand what I say? And me I watch.
You used to have one of the baddest bike them time.
Yes, but that's when me get out a festival. But real artists boss me attack. Me I watch them and I say, God, when me I go boss? When me I go boss, brother? But me know say, me I listen to them sound and know, you know me I go boss next because me understand and say, you know say, you're good like them?
Sure.
Yes. So, tell you what, brother, if me get a break, and me see G-Wiz a town, you know, and say G-Wiz, me notice you go like, you can't link me. G-Wiz, me have something that can help you, you know. Me have, you understand? But up at half a tree, when we go check the youth for England, AJ. But G-Wiz is a man who have pride.
So you stay.
Me not tell you no lie. You don't have to tell me, you know, because you look like my big brother, you know. You're full of pride, you're coming like him. You understand? Bro, the Bible says we will all be with brothers. Keepers. J-Wiz, when your brother down, where you not fi do? Kick him.
I think they said don't kick him.
Then say kick him while he's down. We not kick our brother them when they're down. We build them up, brother.
My people, that is Khago, you know, with a very important lesson. Say more while you have to know who you are fight against, who you are try to bring down, who you are try to help them, because you mean help them your blessing. You see, when I say him an artist, I go at it day to day to day. And now him would have sing a song on a rhythm and the rhythm take off, and other artists may jump on the rhythm and also find it, and who not find a big hit actually get a buzz on them thing, them people. You get them, I say, yeah man. So great reason from Khago and the Angel and G Wiz, my people. You don't know how the thing go. Big up on yourself and bless up on yourself still. One love. We will catch you in another one. Leave your thoughts and comments on the topics them. I don't know how the thing go. I'm out.